Sen bizimsen, bizimsen, durdukça bedende can, yaşa, yaşa, çok yaşa, ey şanlı Azerbaycan.
Today, we will talk about our homeland, Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is a country rich in history, cuisine, and natural resources. There have been many important people in the history of our country. The first people that come to your mind are Nadir Shah, Shah Ismail, or Babek. Shah Ismail is the founder of the Safavids. His goal in founding the Safavids was to avenge his father. Nadir Shah is the person who came to power when the Safavids collapsed and restored the state. Babek is a person who could not tolerate the oppression of the Arab Caliphate and rebelled. Azerbaijan also has national heroes. One of them is Mubariz Ibrahimov. He could not stand what the Armenians were doing and attacked alone. He fought with an army alone and killed 147 Armenian soldiers. He frightened the Armenians so much that they were tied up while his body was sent to Azerbaijan.